Hello friends, how's it going? It's me, Betty Jean.
I'm Morgana.
This is Morgan. She was in the background peanut gallery of my halfway to Halloween look. Yeah, so I don't know. She just needed to get ready at my house today because we went to the gym and she still has to work, so we gonna film it. And I asked you guys for some questions, so let's look at them. We're not gonna do anything too crazy. I mean, you can do whatever you want with your face, but the main point of this video is one of you requested a while ago that I do a palette bingo with the Dragon Child, so I figured with my randomly generated numbers, Morgan would also use the same numbers but with the Feral palette, and we'll see what happens. So that's it. I'll have all the products that I use down below. I can't guarantee I'll have Morgan's also because it's hard to keep track. If I think about it, I will, but really it's the same face stuff that I pretty much always use. We dined at the gym this morning.
Oh yeah.
She's my gym partner. Anytime I ever reference going to the gym, I'm pretty sure I always say with Morgan, but now you know in case you didn't. Been keeping each other on track.
Heck yeah.
And we're going to the hair show together this weekend, although I think when this video goes up, I think this video is going up on like the 2nd, so we'll be at the hair show that day. So yeah. That's what's going on. I'm using my Natasha Denona Face Glow Foundation. She's using the Too Faced Born This Way.
Ooh.
Let's look at some questions. Favorite thing to do at the gym? I really like doing arms. Not really shoulders. Shoulders are stressful. I like doing arms.
I guess legs, yeah.
You like legs a lot.
Yeah.
I hate legs. I do it. I power through it, but I hate doing it. Are leg presses your favorite?
Yeah, just because I can do so much.
Yeah, she's got some strong legs.
270.
I beat her in crunches so hard though.
Yeah, I can't do crunches.
Lunges are the devil for me. Lunges and something else, but I can't remember what it was. The tricep dips, although I'm better at those now. I need my brow gel now or I'm gonna lose my mind. Where is my brow gel?
I haven't been doing my eyebrows lately, just like...
Your eyebrows just look good.
They don't really grow because when I was younger I used to over tweeze them. So I had like no brows.
At one point in my life I tweezed off like all of this right here.
Wow.
I'm so glad I grew back. That would have been awful.
Mine were like pencil thin. I don't know why I did that.
I don't know if I ever went through a pencil thin phase, but I did hack off a big chunk of them. I used to tweeze off my tails and then redraw them because I liked it to be a little higher, and I still like that look. I just got lazy. And the picture that I posted on Instagram stories asking for questions, it was a picture of Morgan, and someone responded with, "I love your face," so I'm going to assume it means your face.
Oh, thank you.
Morgan's cute.
I try.
I'm still using my IT Cosmetics concealer because I'm just trying to use it. I like it. It's not my favorite. She's using my favorite, the Makeup Revolution one. It's so good. Someone asked, are there any UK/European beauty brands that you would like to try on your channel? I mean, I use Blush Tribe and Certify. I like them a lot. I'm pretty sure they're based in the UK. If I'm wrong, then I'm sorry. But I'm pretty sure that's where they're based. And I don't know, I'm sure there are. I just can't think of any off the top of my head. If you guys have good recommendations, I would like to hear them. I'm so hungry.
I know.
It's like just hit me out of nowhere.
Can't wait to eat food.
For real. That's why we just gonna get this done and we gonna pig out.
And we gonna munch the bread.
Someone asked favorite cruelty-free products to use. I mean, I only use cruelty-free products, so I feel like just whatever you see me use frequently, that answers your question. It's literally too many to list. I don't know, what are your favorite things to use, Morgan? And I will just tell you if you're wrong about the cruelty-free status. But you're usually pretty good about it. Yeah, Elf has some good stuff. I need to try more from them. Do you want cream bronzer or no?
Yeah, let's switch it up.
That Milk Makeup Big Bronzing Stick is so good. It blends so good.
Put some color in my face.
You're out of the frame.
Oh. Hello.
Who is your favorite fictional character in pop culture? Ooh, that's a good question. I don't know. I have to think about that. That's a hard one. I love so many things. I literally don't know why I can't think of a favorite fictional character right now. I just can't. I can't think of one. Can I say like the entire cast of Nightmare Before Christmas? Does that count? Every character in that is my favorite.
Scooby-Doo is bae for life.
What is Morgan's eye color? I know you both switch your hair color a ton, but are there shadow colors you steer clear of because you think it'll look bad with your eyes? Well, your eye color is like hazel.
Yeah, so they're like green right now. I don't know if you can kind of see.
I personally don't go by any rules that you can't wear certain colors because it clashes with your eye color. I literally wear whatever I want. So there's not really anything that I tend to avoid because of that. I avoid orange eyeshadows just because I don't love them on me, but it's not because of any reason. I don't know if you avoid any eye color, shadow colors or anything.
No, I do like the more warm tones because of like my eye color. But like green's fun, purple, yellow. I like those colors a lot. I use a lot of like reds.
Are there particular shadow techniques you think look best on your eye shape? For example, cut crease, halo, winged liner, smoky. I mean, I do so many different eye shapes. I feel like I really like blown out, winged out eyeshadow looks where it's more elongated. And I like a very smoky lower lash line where it's very grungy. But I also really like cut creases and winged liner. I like a lot of things. I don't know what my favorite is though.
I always do extended out because my eyes are hooded. So if I don't, it's gone. Like you don't really see eyeshadow.
Yeah, that's true.
And then I do winged eyeliner all the time. And then I always put eyeshadow on my bottom line.
So you know who you are and we know who you are. What color did we like your hair the best? I really liked reds on you actually. Like I liked when you had like the darker reds with the brighter ends. We're gonna use the Natasha Denona Blush Glow Duo for the blush. What's the next question? What would your dream concert lineup be? Can be alive or dead from any time. That's a really hard question.
Who
Like who would you all like to see together play at a concert? Like whether they're dead or alive, whether they relate to each other or not. I feel like right now in this moment, I'd like to see Halsey with Billie Eilish, with 1975, with Panic at the Disco, with maybe somebody else.
David Bowie and Marilyn Manson.
Yeah, that's totally
I love them.
your vibe. I mean, I love them too, but that's always been your number one vibe.
Yeah. I was supposed to marry them. They messed that up.
What's your favorite eyeshadow color to wear? I mean, I guess you said that earlier, but do you have like a number one favorite eyeshadow color to wear? Mine's
Reds. I always wear reds.
Reds, yeah. I was gonna guess reds on you actually.
Yeah.
I'm gonna use White Noise from Give Me Glow for my highlight.
I'm gonna use this one. I'm feeling
Porcelain Peach.
Warm toned.
I don't know if I have like a number one favorite. I mean, I love yellow eyeshadow. I love blue eyeshadow. I love green. I don't know. I feel like probably yellows and greens are my number one favorite though. I'm going to set my face now with a product I'm no longer talking about, but I'm trying to use this product up because I've already used it and have it. So yeah. You want some?
Yeah.
Lovely. All right, so there's 12 shadows in both of our palettes. My phone is so dirty. How rude. I'm going to generate the first 3 really quick. So we got 3, 5, and 12. So mine were Dragon Child, Stone Drake, and Mother Dragon. And she got Canis Lupus, Pack Leader, and I can't say that word, Huchera. I don't know. And now we have 2 more. So we got 7 and 1. I got Flame Tongue and Lucky. This is an odd color combo that I'm working with. And she got Harmonia and Mariposa. Yeah.
This shall be...
We both got really, like, weird color combos.
Yeah.
I got 4 mattes, 1 shimmer. You got 3 mattes, 2 shimmers? Yeah, that's cool. So, yeah, I'm gonna prime my eyes. Literally, you just have to use all of those shadows, and you can't use any extra shadows.
Okay.
I mean, if you want to highlight your inner corner with, like, a face highlight, you can. Eye primer.
Thank you.
Dang, I don't know what I'm gonna do. I have 2, like, I have that red and that dark red, and then I have that green color and the purple. I think maybe I'm gonna do kind of like a warm reddish crease and then maybe cut the crease and do the purpley seafoam green on my lid with the Lucky in my inner corner. We shall see. I'm gonna start by taking Mother Dragon on this little brush. Sorry if this isn't too tutorial-esque, but I'll kind of explain what I'm doing. But I'm just having fun with it. So I'm just taking this shade and kind of running it in the outer corner and all through the It's kind of the bottom of my crease, but still up high. And I'm also going to take the Mother Dragon shade all under my lower lash line.
Starting with the base.
What are you doing first? The brown? Yeah.
Yep. Let's see what I can whip up.
Wow, I blew that out really far already. I'm taking Flame Tongue now. And I'm just going to run this kind of on top of what I just did. Just to start blending that out. And then I'll go back through and re-deepen where I need to. And I might go through with like a clean brush as well to blend out these edges more because I don't really have another shade to blend these super well. We just gonna make it work. Lady, you're out of the frame again. What are you doing now in your process, lady?
I'm doing the... What is that one?
Mariposa.
Mariposa on the out. And then I'm going to add in the...
Pack Leader Shimmery
Pack Leader,
Pink. That's
yeah.
a really pretty shimmery pink. It's so good. I think that's looking okay enough. Okay enough is my philosophy in life. Okay, so I'm going to cut my crease with my Makeup Revolution Cut Crease Canvas really quick. There's a high chance I'm just going to speed through this because you've seen me cut my crease 500,000 times. But I just put it on and look up so I can see where my crease transfers, and then I'm gonna go with it. And we have more questions. I forgot already. What are your top 3 to 5 brands that excite you? Menagerie Cosmetics excites me a lot. Ace Beauté excites me a lot. Honestly, ColourPop gets me really excited. I know they release a lot of stuff, but they get me excited. What about you, Morgan? Which brands excite you?
Anastasia. I really like their stuff. That's like, I have like 3 or 4 palettes from them. But that's because they have a lot of the warm tones that I like. I use them like every day.
Lime Crime actually excites me a lot too with a lot of the things they release. I'm laying that Dragon Child shade, by the way. Just all the way up to that cut crease. Then I'm going to put the purple color Stone Drake in the outside portion and blend that into the reds we have going on in the outer corner. So it hurts to hold my brush because my arms are so sore.
I know, I feel like right here.
What is the best sunscreen to go under makeup? I'm really bad and I forget about sunscreen most of the time, so I don't really have a go-to sunscreen that I put under my makeup. I know that's really bad. I probably need recommendations, but honestly I don't go outside very much during the daytime. But if you guys have recommendations, that'd be cool. Have you used all your shades yet, lady?
Almost. This is the last one.
Harmonia. It's looking good. You're looking like a watermelon.
Thanks. Watermelon's my favorite.
I'm not loving my look just because the color combination's kind of odd. But it's still kind of cool.
I like it.
Thanks. Let's see. So is Wet n Wild still cruelty free? I mean, it's a very personal thing on how, like, what you kind of deem as cruelty free or not. For me, they are not. I talk about that a bit in my Get Ready With Me with the Summer Vibes palette. It's like a palette bingo Get Ready With Me. I'll link that video down below. I chat about it in that as to why I feel that way. But for me, they are not, no. But it just depends on what your qualifications are for cruelty free. And for me, they do not meet those qualifications. So they are not beautbean certified. Unfortunately, I'm very bummed about it.
Denied.
What got you started with makeup? I think I've talked about this before, but I pretty much only got interested in starting makeup because I felt like I had to wear it for working in a salon, so I started playing around with it in late cosmetology school. But I don't really have like a crazy reason. I started early 2012. No, early 2014-ish is kind of when I started dabbling around with it. What about you, Morgan? I'm highlighting my inner corner with Lucky, by the way, guys.
My mom
so you know.
doesn't wear any makeup, so I just learned by myself. And we just watch videos all the time. And then...
Same. My mom didn't wear much at all, so I couldn't really learn from her. I didn't have, like, older sisters to learn from.
Yeah, same. I'm the oldest sister. So... yeah, I just watched videos, and then... I was like, okay, this is cool.
So I'm just not loving what's going on my eyes. Like, it's not the worst thing I've created, but I don't love it. I'm going to take the Sunray Liquid Glitter Eyeshadow from Pixi, and I just want to run some of that right along the edge where the cut crease is. just to give it an extra pop. I like it a lot more with that glitter in there. What was your first impressions of each other the first time y'all met? So she came into interview at Hair Plus in like 2014, right? 2013? 2014? I graduated school at 2014, cosmetology school, so maybe 2015.
It was
2016?
almost 2016, I think.
I think, yeah, end of 2015.
Yeah.
I thought it was cool because she was more alternative in my age, and I just felt like we'd probably get along. But we didn't really interact until she started working there. And I remember seeing on Facebook, like apparently we were Facebook friends and I didn't realize. Yes. And I see her post like, starting Hair Plus tomorrow, and I'm like, who's starting Hair Plus tomorrow? Who are you? And then I clicked on it and I was like, oh wait, that's her. I didn't even realize we were friends on Facebook.
So I used to go to the salon that we worked at, and I would always walk by to see if my hairdresser was there, and I always saw her, and I would follow her and watch her little videos. I was like, she's so cool. I want to talk to her one day. And then we started working together, and I was like, now we're best friends.
That's so cute.
Yeah.
I'm popping in this Totally Teal eye pencil from LA Girl, because it kind of matches what's going on my lid a little bit. I'm just going to re-smokify this lower lash line just a tad bit. And that's pretty much it for my eyeshadow, I think. I think it looks okay. Like I said, it's not my favorite thing I've ever created in my life, but it's decent. It's decent enough. That's all I really ask for in life. We just have one more question as of right now. Why did you decide to go cruelty-free with your makeup? I decided to do it, I think, a little over a year ago. I don't know. I just decided that it just seemed almost silly not to. Just for me personally, it's a very personal choice. I would never push that on anyone else. But for me personally, it felt silly to not. And I just feel like with cosmetics, it's something so, like it's just pure vanity. So I don't feel like animals should have to go through that for my sake just to play with makeup. So that's kind of why I did it. And there's so many brands that I love and care about. I really don't miss too many brands at all. I miss Wet n Wild now, but that's a whole other thing. That's kind of why. That's about it. We're gonna do our other eyes now. I'm gonna pop on my lashes, we're gonna put on something on our lips, and we'll finish this up. All right, so this is our final looks. What do you think? I like yours a lot. I think it's cute.
I like yours. It reminds me of Midnight.
She went with the adorable lipstick from Milani, and then I wanted it too, so I did it as well. And she packed Pack Leader, the shimmery pink, on her lips, and I packed Lucky, the shimmery shade that I got, on my lips. And I feel good. I think it's cute. I guess that's really all we have to say. I hope you enjoyed this palette bingo / get ready with us, answering some questions and just hanging out, and I hope you liked it. I just realized that the reason that you wanted me to use this again is just because this is getting discontinued, the Dragon Child palette, so if you guys want to get your hands on it, now's a good time. The shades are all sold individually, so if you just wanted some shades, then that's cool too. But if you wanted the whole palette, jump on it while it's still around, because it won't be around forever. And I guess that's really all I have to say. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you're not already, please hop over to my Instagram. It's beautbean. Follow me there. I post every single day. I'll have Morgan's Instagram down below as well. You should follow her too. Please subscribe if you haven't already. I post at least 5 days a week, but it usually ends up being 6 or 7. Thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you in the next one. I gotta say, okay, bye.
Okay, bye.
Okay, bye.
Bye.
Alrighty. Is it my super Lindsay?
No, I just got a lot of hair.
Story of my life.
Will you see my hair?